welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to a place in Janpat, Cafe Delhi Heights. It has over 15 outlets in Delhi, but it has recently opened a new one in Janpat, and let's explore. I've heard they serve good burgers here, so let's see, and I'll show you everything I'll try. Stay tuned. I've started ordering, and I started with salads because I am a salad lover. And so I've ordered panzanella salad, which is like I'm trying this for first time, and this is Italian breads. It is a warm salad, Italian bread with lot of grilled vegetables, as you can see here. So yeah, it looks really good, and I am trying my hands on this. I'm trying this panzanella salad, and it looks really delicious. This is basically warm salad. They've actually tossed bread with some garlic and grilled vegetables, and this is actually so good. My second item is here on my table, and it looks extremely huge and sumptuous. So this is Juicy Lucy Burger. I am pretty sure many of you must have heard about it. So Cafe Delhi Heights is basically famous for Juicy Lucy burgers, and this is the burger. Can you see that giant burger on the plate? And I'm gonna finish that. Guys, can you actually think I am going to finish this? So if you think yes, comment down below and tell me, will I be able to finish this burger or not? And this is my favorite actually. So this is a Juicy Lucy burger, and just lamb patty in this. The patty is really good. It is minced lamb patty, and they have coleslaw, and they have cucumber, and they have tomatoes. Guys, you'll love it. Itna huge burger, and I'm pretty sure nobody can actually finish this. It has kishmish as well, and I'm trying to figure out kya kya hai, and cheese to hai hi, but this is actually delicious. So my open chicken burger is already here, and it looks sumptuous like the Juicy Lucy burger. So basically it is two buns. So it has bun, then chicken layer, then bun, and then chicken, and melted cheese over that. And yes, it has jalapenos, and this, I'm gonna try this out. I can't wait for it. Look at this. This is chicken, cheese, and jalapenos. So delicious, so good. The flavors are so subtle and not spicy. You can actually taste different flavors of jalapenos, chicken, and cheese, and the bun, crispy bun. And yeah, I would like to tell you that you should try this burger if you are here. My last dish is here on my table, and that is ISBT Maggi, and full of butter. I'll show you. It is like melted butter here, and I'm gonna try this out. I am actually loving this Maggi. Served hot with melting butter, it will be a delight to your taste buds. And I'm sure if you're a Maggi lover, so I am not a Maggi lover, I love ramen noodles much, but I am actually liking this because of the hot and melting butter on it, and the taste and the flavors are so good that it'll actually just make you drool over this. So guys, this was my last dish, and I'm actually in love with the food of Cafe Delhi Heights. Guys, I'm done with my dinner and everything was good here at Cafe Delhi Heights, and I love Juicy Lucy Burger as usual. Everybody loves that, and yes, I love tiramisu dessert as well. And if you are a Maggie lover, you should check it out, the ISBT Maggie here. You're gonna definitely love that. And ambience is chilling. It is quirky. If you're out with your friends, you will definitely love it. And if you're with family, they have personal dining room as well. And music was soothing. Staff is very courteous. Food was good with good quality ingredients. And keep watching my vlogs. Do subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also press the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any updates from my channel. And comment down below what other places you want me to cover in Delhi NCR, and I will actually get back to you and will cover that place for you. So this is it for me. Bye, take care, ta-da.